everyone, and welcome to my Dayan LingYun review. So as usual, I'll just get right into this review. This cube, it's very good. It is the third Dayan cube. The Dayan cubes now seem to be taking over the market. They're very good. I think that they're the best kind. And this is the third Dayan, which is the Dayan LingYun. Now, a lot of people have been complaining that this cube pops a lot, which I don't think it does compared to the guhong. I don't happen to have my guhong on me right now, but honestly, if you tension it right, it won't pop. It'll still be very good. Personally, I like this better than the guhong, but yeah. So, corner cutting. If you have I have fairly loose tensions on it. This will pop sometimes. I use this in competition and pop twice in the average, so in my first average, so I don't know. I think this is fairly loose. It doesn't corner cut the greatest, but it cuts. I don't. On sometimes it will cut 45, but you know, you're never gonna do that in a solve. So just the usual corner cutting up to about that line all the time will work. Now speed. It is a little bit clicky. I think that the 48 point edge mod would work very well on this. It would remove a lot of the clicking. It would make it feel quite a bit better. Now, I just want to compare this to another cube here. This is my C3. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but it is just slightly smaller. And it looks like almost nothing, but you can tell the difference. It is ridiculous. It's just the perfect size now. Whoops, see, it's fairly loose, but yeah, so I guess I'll go over the internals right now. Compared to the guhong here, let me adjust my light over here. So as you can see, this part right here, where it's sort of dug in, it's a lot further in than on the guhong, which is it helps a lot with the reverse corner cutting, which I'll show you that in a second. And the edges pretty much look the same, a little smoother around here. That's about it though. Why am I doing that? Okay. A little tricky to get the corners back in on all Dayan cubes. There we go. Reverse corner cutting. It's like a dream. It's great. Never seen a cube that can reverse corner cut as well as this. Oh, stickers. The stickers that come with this, they chip quite easily. As you can see here, I haven't had this cube for too long, and it's already starting to chip a little bit. I would suggest getting some new stickers after you get this. The core though, the core on this cube, all Dayan cubes, is horrible. And get into focus, okay. And so I would highly suggest getting a new one also. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thanks.